front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. All you need to do is launch Play Store and download free app called DevCheckDevice and SystemInfo from Flare to Developer, not sponsored by the way. When it's ready, launch it, and then thanks to it learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Now, quick tip. When you go into dashboard section, make sure to click on all of those options, not only to read all of those informations from the pop-up, but also because when you hit settings, at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on your icons at the top right corners of other sections. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!